Hello, Jim Schwartz back with Solar Smart Living here. Recently, El Paso Electric revamped their website, so I want to show you how to find your electric bill on their new website. You want to go to epelectric.com. Once you're there, in the upper right-hand corner, there is a green button. It'll turn blue when you hover over it. Click it once. It's going to take you to a new tab where it's going to ask you to log in. If you've never had an online account with El Paso Electric before, you would want to go to Create Account right here. If you have had an account online with El Paso Electric before, you will need to verify the previous account. Click here and go through the process. I've already done that, so let's go ahead and log in. Enter your username, your password, and it's going to take you to this page. It'll show you your amount due. Now, if you need your most recent bill, they've made it super easy. There's a button right there. View my bill. Click it once. It's going to open up your bill as a PDF in a new tab. If you need to find an older bill, they have hidden the old bills very well. Go deep down in their system, scroll over, look for quick links, and choose I would like to view billing history. Now it's going to take you to a page where all your electric bills are there. All you have to do, the most recent one is the very top one. That's the one we just opened. The second most recent one will be the second one down. Click the little icon that says PDF on the right-hand side. It's going to open it in a new tab. Third one down, third oldest bill, click the PDF icon. And that's how simple it is to get your bills from the El Paso Electric website. Thank you.